This is actually related to the project paradox, call it. And the project paradox is this notion of if you compare knowledge over time and the size of knowledge that you build up, usually it goes like that. So you have knowledge that builds up over time. In the beginning, you're very new to something and you know nothing about the team, about the domain, about what we are trying to achieve. Can we actually build it? Is the infrastructure ready? How do we monitor that thing? Is there the customer? How do they behave? And things like that. So there's a lot of unknowns here. But slowly, over time, you build up the knowledge, obviously, because you learn, you get together with your team. And this is all a key essential ingredient of the software craftsmanship. We want to learn faster. And the other interesting thing that I noticed is if we look at decisions, usually it looks like that. So in the beginning, we're doing this big architecture decision. Yeah, we are going to use Java on the backend and React in the front end, and then there's a little API, something, and the authentication we're doing with that little framework, and so on and so on. Now, here is a problem. Can you see the problem? We are taking the biggest decisions at the time where we have the least knowledge. And that's basically stupid, if you call it. And that's actually funny. Every time I tell my girlfriend about all these things, because I get excited and I talk all about Agile at home, and she says to me, but what the fuck? I mean, that's so obvious. Why are you doing it this way? It's very hard to understand if you're not from the software world why we are behaving like that. And it's funny that outsiders, if they would observe us, they probably would laugh at us. But so we are a lot of times in that situation. So what can we do?